Thank you for a wonderful time like this. Thank you for this gathering. For it is also you that we can. But even as we're about to start this, which you have put into our hearts and in our hands, we ask that we will not fail in the name of Jesus. We ask that this will be bring glory to your name in the name of Jesus. We ask that by using of this project, lives will be touched in the name of Jesus. Destinies will be altered in the name of Jesus. Thank you, Lord, for me that even as we are striving for perfection, our end goal will be excellence in the name of Jesus. Thank you, Lord, for Jesus' name. Amen.
Basically, Droplets Puddle is an EP. I'm about to record. Everything is set. We have the beat right here, and we're still waiting for a couple of people before we start.
Can't play the game for 90 minutes. Few seconds, them I want to substitute in material things for the kingdom. Bling blings. Idols of the mind in prisons are mighty man. Droplets, puddle, flood, you know, it just explains process, you know, it explains that, you know, success and greatness, you know, takes process and it takes patience, you know, water starts from the droplets and then the puddle and then the flood, so it's all about patience and you know, paying the price of waiting.
Droplets Puddle flood, Droplets Puddle flood, hey! Everything takes time and patience. Rome was not built in a day. Droplets Puddle flood, it's a process. It starts with droplets that becomes puddle. It becomes a puddle, then it becomes a flood. Basically. So it's how much you're willing to wait and how much you're willing to work for it. So if you work hard at what you want, you'll definitely get it. And if you work smart also, you get what you want.
Everybody wants a car perfectly without a top. It's some other mall, feeling like the boss. While I know tomorrow, spend 100,000 in the mall with the lady they can floss, but dang.
Working with him has been a privilege because Cash is somebody whose work ethics is very motivating. He doesn't settle for less. And well, I don't like to voice, time after time, but Kashmir will always push you to, get the best out of you. We've worked on one of my singles together before, and I loved it. So working with him now is something that I really love and I appreciate, because ever since we recorded together before, I've been looking forward to recording with him again. So working with him on this EP, on this project, is a privilege for me. It's a privilege for me.
Kill it! Hey, crazy, you want to do anything, Ready, ba?